Lube. If you're a keyboard enthusiast, the first thing that came to mind was probably something like Krytox or Tribosys. But if you're not a virgin, this is probably what you were thinking of. That's right, Durex. Durex is readily available in most supermarkets, and as far as I can tell, the general public seems really happy whenever they use Durex. In fact, their marketing material really suggests that this is a really fun product. I don't know about you, but when I play games, I want as much fun as I can get. So why not use Durex as a lube instead of Krytox 205 on my keyboard? In case you're inexperienced, this is how you lube your switches. Firstly, get a switch opener and gently push the switch down until you feel the top housing pop off. Disassemble the switch, take a brush and dip it slightly in your lube of choice, in this case Durex KY Jelly. Now, you really want to take it slow here. We want a nice, even coat of lube on the friction points. And if your brush is too small, don't worry, less is more. It's not the size of the wave, it's the motion of the ocean. Also guys, please wash your brush before and after lubing, for hygiene purposes of course. An unwashed brush is just nasty. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the sound test.
Oh.